Hello friends, a very good morning to everyone. In today's video we are going to see the July month garden update. Come, let's go into the video. So this is my croton plant, and this croton plant is growing very well and healthy. This is called as areca palm leaf. This is my rose plant. So this rose plant is also growing very well. So now the summer season has finished, and then the cool climate has started. Soon monsoon and winter will also come. So the rose plant has also started growing very well. And then this is my turkey berry plant. It is also growing well and healthy. So this is my jasmine flower plant. So for this variety of jasmine flower plant, the season is over. But now also this jasmine flower plant is giving me many flowers, and all over the plant many new growth are also there. So this is my manatakali green leafy vegetable. It is also growing well and good. And here I have my watermelon plant. Actually this plant is growing from here and all over this pot. So there one small watermelon is there. Can you see? One small watermelon is there. Hope I would get a good harvest from this watermelon plant. And this is my hibiscus flowering plant. It is also growing well and good. And here I have some saplings of lady's finger and tomato. If they grow big, soon I will transplant them. And this is my one of the varieties of flowering plant named Nandyavata in Tamil. I don't know the English name. And this is also one of the varieties of flowering plant. It is also growing well and good. So this flower is attracting many honeybees and butterflies to our garden. And this is my aloe vera plant. So this aloe vera plant is growing very well. So baby aloe vera is growing from this side and here also. So I am really very happy. And this is my Ujala variety brinjal plant. So it is also growing well. And this is my one of the varieties of flowering plant. Soon I will transplant it to this pot. So now in this pot I am growing some fenugreek. It is also one of the varieties of green leaf vegetable. Yesterday there was a very heavy rain and lots and lots of thunders and lightning. Heavy wind was there in Chennai. So due to that some green leafy vegetables has damaged a little bit. And then this is also one of the varieties of croton only. It is also growing well. So this is chedi munga, that is drumstick tree in the plant form. It is also growing very well. So some new growth are also there. And in this pot only I am going to transplant that lady's finger and tomatoes. So this is also one of the varieties of flowering plant. And this is my jasmine flower plant. So same as that plant only, it is also growing well and good. So all over the plant there are many new growth. So not only that, many flowers are also coming in this plant. And this is our sugarcane plant. So sugarcane also started forming. So while I will harvest the sugarcane for the next Pongal, I will make a video for sugarcane. So sugarcane is growing very well. And this is my hibiscus flowering plant. So this is also growing very well. And this is also one of the varieties of croton plant. And this is mint, that is pudina. Soon I will make a video for mint pudina. And then this is also one of the varieties of flowering plant, hibiscus, pink color variety. Here I have some table rose, pink, violet, blue color and orange color. So here also I have some table rose. So this is the overall garden update of the June month, friends. Thanks friends, bye. Meet you all in the next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share it to your friends also. Thanks, bye. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thanks friends, bye.